Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Tally backup step by step. Regularly backing up your Tally data is crucial for business continuity and data security. Imagine losing all your financial records. It would be a nightmare. This process helps safeguard your valuable information against accidental deletion, system crashes, or hardware failures. We'll cover everything you need to know to protect your financial data effectively, ensuring peace of mind with just a few simple clicks. Now, let's initiate the backup. From the Gateway of Tally screen, press Alt+Y to access the Data menu, then select Backup. You'll need to specify the source path, which is where your current Tally data resides. Next, choose a destination path for your backup files. This should ideally be a different drive or an external storage device to ensure maximum safety for your valuable financial records. With your source and destination paths set, it's time to select the companies you want to backup. Tally will display a list of all available companies. Simply choose the ones you need to protect. After making your selections, review the destination path one final time. Once everything looks correct, press Ctrl+A to start the backup. The process usually takes only a few moments, depending on your data size, and then your data is safely stored. After the backup completes, it's essential to verify that your files are indeed in the destination folder. Check the folder to confirm the presence of the Tally backup files. For optimal data security, establish a routine for regular backups, perhaps daily or weekly. Also, consider storing copies in at least 2 different secure locations, like an external hard drive and a cloud service, for ultimate protection against unforeseen events.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.